Today is July 11th, still Eastern Standard Time on US East Coast. It's approximately 10:35. Bitcoin market is 365, 24 hours. It never stops, it never closes. The reason is that earlier this morning, Friday morning, I was happy to see the Bitcoin making an all-time high. But later on checking the volumes, actually, it's a little bit concerning. The volume is not there, and volume is missing from last rally as well, which is not a good sign. Yes, it could be a squeeze momentum happening, and if that is the case, the squeeze momentum will take it 135 right there. But is it really a squeeze momentum? I do not see that there is enough supply on the market. This is the all-time high. It's happening. This is not the squeeze play. So something is off this time on Bitcoin. So this one tells okay why we are thinking and what it could be happening. So right now it's 117. On the upper hand we are looking 120, 135. On the lower side most probably 110. 109 will stop, but there is a 100 psychological barrier as well there. That's what is. But why particularly we are interested now? We will go through it. This is my delta chart as I'm plotting it for all the charts now onwards. As we know that, let's start from the on the left side. Look over, the delta started going green bigger over here, then stop moving. Then if we see in this cluster over here, we seen so many reds coming, right? So we were undecisive. It was a range bound, let's call it, but still the negative delta was spiking over here, so we went down. And then the late November of 2024, early November of 2024, then the rally started. So it went up. If you see, the green cluster got bigger. But now what is concerning is this month of May. Look at it over here, all negative deltas. So negative deltas are happening and the price is going up. What it means is basically there are sellers who are selling. There are no buyers who is absorbing it. The price is still going up. That's called the divergence. And we have seen the biggest divergence right now. So that is one thing playing right now, which is divergence. Still, if I see in 1,000, then it's going to be the red mark. Then it will start the cascading effect. We might not go even higher. Weekend volumes even slower right now. It's going to be super thin. Monday could be very interesting. It looks like for the Bitcoin. Let me show you the Bitcoin chart actually on real trading platform right now. This is my website actually, not a website. This is a group that I run on WhatsApp. I do post everything over here more frequently. See, if you are looking at this is my Bitcoin live trading chart actually. I use the trading view. If you see the volume spike over here last time in November, the volume was higher. But see, look at the volume. We are very super thin. Even when it was over here, we were even higher than here. It's even not a half of the volume. This is almost 1/4 of the, not even 1/4, 1/5, 20% of this volume is here. So we are missing something this time. The big whales are not participating. Means they are not the buyers. Actually, it could be that they are selling it in this, and this is a FOMO, fear of missing it out. So the buyers are FOMO, and that's why the buying happening, or this is a pure squeeze play. It's not, I'm saying, we have to see how the next week data comes, volume comes actually. So yeah, I was going to show you the volume on it, right? You look at this volume, nothing compared to this. It's going down, down, down. Let me show you the delta on this. Let's make it quick. I don't want to stretch it too much on this video. It's Friday evening. Man, I should. So 366 was for Friday over here. If you see that, look at the numbers over here. This is 99. This is 15, 48, 82, 44, 15, 264. The volumes are very thin actually on this side, and these are the deliverables. I mean, there are more 80 sellers than the buyers. So basically, sellers were in control. Those kind of things. I have a separate video on it. So please, if you are interested, go through it. That would be helpful, very helpful. And that is the reason we are going it here. So on my delta charts, you will be seeing the numbers coming over here in the sequence as well. So that's a divergence happening. Basically, if you see that over here, the price were higher, delta was higher, price was higher, but then delta went even higher than this one, but the price went down, right? There is a divergence. So, and this week came down, delta went down, and this one went up. So this was fine. But this week, the fourth week, if the delta went negative, then it could have been a profit booking over here. So you see that over here, same thing. I have it actually better descriptions on the table, so you can read it nicely. So it's the same thing what we are talking about here. Price made a local high, but the delta momentum fell, possibly selling into the strength. So that's why those are the issues. And if you see that, I put down the previous week as well. So these were the caution calls actually. May 19th. Let's go back to May 19th over here, which is right here. May 19th is over here. 3, 4. Okay, what was the sequence number? We can just watch it. That was number 3. Number 3. See. Then 4, 5. So we were at what, 109 somewhere. We went to 109K right away in whatever 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. but who knows, it could have been more. So that's why divergences are playing a part right now. If we see the cluster over here, it's all negative. I did not plot it more divergence over here because we are still waiting for it, if it's a squeeze momentum or not. Let's see how it goes. So earlier, that was the reason to pop the video right away, caution side. Otherwise, on the long term, we are still intact actually. Even there's a crazy view going on the Bitcoin right now. Yes, good run. We are looking at 135 right now in this short term. Let's call it a period of mostly July, August, September. It could come quicker. So this is my Bitcoin chart over here. I like to draw the parallel channels. I use the Elliott wave. This is the concept that I use it if I'm not able to see the waves clearly. But I want to show you something. This is a plain chart. Look at the next one. See, this is the pattern actually over here. Again, cup and handle. When the cup and handle, this is the depth, you see it, that runs over here. One of the target is somewhere around 140, I believe. Yeah, 133 over here. And this is the wedge. There is a down target as well. We have to see the volume where it's happening. If it breaks this one with such a high volume, then yes, we are going down. But what are the chances now, right? It's government backed nowadays. And we know, if you guys don't know, read about it. What is really Bitcoin is for? Bitcoin is never meant to replace the currency actually. The currency, it was meant to be used for something else. So cup and handle targets, we see that I started plotting out the Elliott wave on the bigger and minor level as well. So these are my some targets right now. The huge one is 251, the middle one is 183. This is the parallel channel we are following right now, and this could happen. If the correction comes, we can bring it down to 100. It's all possibilities are listed over here. This is the parallel channel. I'm drawing it for a long time for this chart, and it works for me actually, if you see that. So now what are we looking is this parallel channel, and if you see, I will be merging this two channel in one actually for a longer run now. So this one will become the base channel over here somewhere around 100, and it could bounce back, and it really works. You just have to keep drawing as many, and then you have to start erasing what's not working, what's not real, based on the Elliott wave that it's on a closer. So what it is right now, there was a rally, right, that happened from 15,000 level back, right? So we are plotting the Elliott wave right now, and as of right now, we are just coming in the final wave. I'm just calling it a final wave right now because that's what it looks like. Even it could be the major wave of the wave 3 expansion happening, but let's not go into that. Just focus what we are looking on the minimum scenario. So at least 118 was there, it's here. 136 is calling, which is other target as well. We are coming with the cup and handle pattern on it. Let's dive deeper, actually closer, as the market we are handling. So this is our data from April actually. So this is my first wave, it went down over here. This is the massive 3 wave, it's the expansion wave actually happening. And now what we are doing is the final wave of whatever this wave happening, right? Okay, so what are the targets? The target could be making it to 135, it could stop at 121. We don't know what's going to happen, but the way the volume is, you see the spike over here, that is a good thing, but we have not seen the spike on the top of here. So if I see the spike over here on the lower side, it gives me clear idea to put the end of the Elliott waves, which is not the case this time. What I'm showing over here, this is my Bitcoin on hourly from actually June, yeah, end of May. So it is a range bound. If you see that we were stuck between 110 and we went to 98. I was waiting for 93 to come so I could buy back whatever we sold minor position around 110, but that never happened. That's fine. So what I'm trying to show is that really the days we are spending, it was not decisive. We are breaking up this round bottom over here that happened. We could be running most probably 20. Okay, so how this one, basically this is 112 over here, and the depth was somewhere around here 100. So 12k you added on 112, so which makes you 124 for right now. This would swing right away. So why we are looking at this one is to just show, I mean, how many days we are spending in the directions, right? Basically it took a little bit longer time than we are getting on the aggressive side. The time durations are getting shorter over here. These ones are the minor waves, but something is going to happen right now. Most likely we are going to break it on the upper side, but the data on the Monday, the volume on the Monday will tell us what we are doing it. So again, Bitcoin, yes, on the long run it's super. Also, what I will say, Bitcoin is a speculative assets, right? What happens is this, Bitcoin, right? If nobody cashes it out, then we will not be able to know who owns this Bitcoin. If you are trading it, yes, KYC, know your client, that way you can know. But that's only 14% of the volume of the entire Bitcoin what is traded, right? 86% changes on the internet without anyone knowing it. Just, yeah, you can see where it's moving from there, but you can't know who owns it on those. once you cash it out, then you will be able to know it only. But if you don't cash it out, then there is no way to know who owns that Bitcoin unless you have the key and everything, so that way you can trace it back. But it's a very good concept, unique concept. Read about it if you guys don't know about it. It's very interesting. Yeah, sorry, I got a little bit off track. So I will say again, the volume is the bigger concern right now, not the price. Price action, right? In Gujarati, there is a saying, "Bhau Bhagwan che," price is God. So let's see what happens. Volume has to come here in Bitcoin. Otherwise, this what we call the run all-time high will not sustain. Thank you for watching. If you I'll be actually on a weekly basis now. I'll be doing more videos, and actually I'll be posting commentary for what to look in upcoming weeks, at least 5 stock in US and 2-3 stocks in India. So if you are new, please subscribe. Join my WhatsApp channel. I do post frequent updates because this video takes a little bit longer for me. On that, I just make the slides, I just post it, or I just write a sentence. I just wrote the sentence that, okay, careful on the Bitcoin, the volume is not there, and I said, okay, let me make the slides and all the details so I can be done. So if I don't do anything on Saturday, I should be fine. So thank you guys. Have a nice weekend, and subscribe and comment if you want to if you want me to check your stocks. Thank you.